Now we are discussing about number system conversion. How to convert decimal to binary, octal to binary, and hexadecimal to binary, and similarly binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal and binary to decimal. We will check. First I am taking a decimal number. I am taking some decimal number 10. I am converting to it binary by using the command bin. So I will be getting the binary equivalent of 10, 1010. Yes, it is absolutely correct. We can check for the next number also. Now this time I am giving another number, okay, this time I am giving 20, some 21. Okay, now this time I am giving some 68. Okay, so these are the binary equivalents. So how to convert decimal to binary, that we have discussed. Now how to convert decimal to octal, that we will discuss. For that we are writing octal of some 16. So this is the octal equivalent of decimal. So 0, 2, 0. This is 8 to the power 0. And this is 8 to the power 1. 8 into 2, 16. So this is absolutely correct. Now we are checking how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. For that I am writing hexadecimal of some 17. This time we are getting the number 1 means 16 power 0, and it is 16 power 1. If we add 16 plus 1, the result is 17. Now I am performing the binary to the decimal. How I can perform that? First I have to give the binary number 0. We should start with 0, and B, we are indicating it as a binary number. I am giving 1000, means 8. So now it is printed as a decimal 8. Now I am giving 0 octal number 100, means 64. We are expecting the decimal 64. Yes, absolutely correct. Now we are giving the hexadecimal 100, means 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. We are 16 power 2 means 256. 256 should be printed. This is how, whenever there is a requirement, we can convert the binary to the decimal, octal to the decimal, and hexadecimal to the decimal, and the decimal to the hexadecimal, and a decimal to the octal, and decimal to the binary.